Hey Chris here, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to look at how one subscriber has made £3,000 a month profit by betting on golf. That's right, we're going to show their 2 months of results where they made £6,100 of profit using a very simple, easy to use golf value betting system. But before we get into it, I'll just quickly mention the Profit Boss match betting and value betting Facebook group. As usual, there'll be a link down in the description if you're not yet joined up. So firstly then, what is this system? Well, the reason why it's so simple and easy to use is because all you need for this to work is a Betfair exchange. You don't need any unrestricted bookmaker accounts. Now, I will link this video on the screen now down in the description because that video goes into exactly how to use this system in a bit more detail, and we go on the laptop in more detail on that video. But in this video, we'll just do a brief overview of how it works. So as I say, just need a Betfair exchange to place win-only bets on golf. And these bets are provided to you each Wednesday, ready for the tournament starting on the Thursday. That means each week, you just need around 10 to 15 minutes maximum in order to place a few bets on the golf. And you can actually use bookmaker accounts if you like and place each way bets with small stake amounts, so you can use restricted accounts. But if you have all your bookmaker accounts closed down, then you can literally just use the Betfair exchange. For those of you that don't know, golf tournaments run from that Thursday, as I say, to Sunday. So once you've placed the bets, you then don't need to do anything else. You don't need to lay them, don't need to trade out, nothing. You just leave them to run and check the results on the Sunday evening. But what you've clicked the video for, checking out this member's results here, so he commented and said, I've made a total of £6,100 since joining this service from exactly January 1st. So, of course, with us being at the end of February now, that gives us a full 2 months of results here. And he's made that profit just strictly on golf win-only bets, so just at the Betfair exchange, using £20 stakes, which has been 0.5% of his account balance. And then he's withdrawn the initial deposit and only placing bets with profits now. So that essentially then makes it completely risk-free. Another member here commented on Discord that they'd made £896 from a single win there. So that's from the win only on Betfair exchange and just a single bet there. So remember, these are high odds golf player bets that we're getting on. So they're very high profit when they come in and land as a winner. And then this member commented saying, I make that 4 winners in the 5 weeks since I've started. So really, really good results here that the service has been providing recently. Then another comment saying £1,200 banked and lots of different emojis there. Now I wanted to put this short video together because I've had nearly 400 people sign up for the mailing list for this service, yet only around 60 to 70 people have joined in and started making a really nice profit of hundreds or even thousands of pounds. So I wondered, why hasn't everyone that joined the mailing list gotten involved with this, since it's literally just £18 a month for the membership? There's really nothing not to like about this system. It's less than £20 a month to get involved with, and it takes around 10 minutes each week for you to place the bets, as well as the fact you don't need any bookmaker accounts. So it's really like a triple win there. There's no reason why every subscriber of the Profit Boss channel shouldn't be getting involved with this. If you're one of the people that's joined this service and been profiting from it so far, please do comment your results. I'd be interested to see how much profit you've made. If you enjoyed this video, please do tap the like button below. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.